Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create sunset background gradient in Photoshop. Create a new blank document layer, select the gradient tool and open the gradient editor. Choose three warm tones like deep orange, golden yellow and soft purple. Set the gradient type to radial for a circular sunset effect. Drag from the center to edge to apply it. You will see a neutral glowing sunset transition. Lower the opacity if it's too strong. Add soft clouds using a large brush. Set them to overlay for texture depth. Duplicate the gradient layer for brightness. Add a vignette around the corners. This makes your sunset look cinematic and real.